Welcome back, green enthusiasts, to our second edition of 10 Avocado Creations. Today, we venture into the unknown world of avocado desserts. We're creating an avocado chocolate mousse, a well-rounded sweet dish. Hello, I'm JJ, and welcome to SpoonCrafty. Avocados, usually for guacamole, are now making a sweet leap, coupled with cocoa for a delightful guilt-free mousse. Now, let's dive in. The recipe requires 6 to 8 ripe avocados, cocoa powder to taste, about 1 cup of cream or milk or a non-dairy alternative, any sweetener, and a hint of sea salt. For a unique flair, garnish with chopped nuts, berries, shredded coconut, or diet-friendly chocolate syrup. Let's kick things off by scooping out the inviting buttery flesh of a ripe avocado directly into a blender or food processor. Then add your choice of milk or cream and blend together. The avocado, known for its superbly mild flavor and heavenly creamy texture, will be more than just an ingredient. It forms the very base, the foundation for our decadent dessert. As the avocado stirs in the blender, its velvety texture slowly unfurling, it's time now to introduce the rich, dark cocoa powder. And let me tell you, it's all about the quality here. Opt for a premium brand, something that screams richness and depth, because, believe me, the cocoa's decadence will single-handedly shape the overall flavor. Pour it in, quite generously, I would suggest. As the cocoa swirls with the avocado, it's time for the cream. The cream will gracefully balance out the cocoa's intense bitterness, imparting a luxurious thickness to the mix, setting the stage for a lush, velvety texture. Up next is your choice of sweetener. From the deep, rich flavor of maple syrup to the subtle sweetness of coconut sugar, you have a variety to choose from. Proceed gently, add it bit by bit. Keep tasting, keeping a keen check on the sweetness level. Lastly, introduce a pinch of sea salt. Odd, you might think, but trust me, a mere dash of salt can dramatically elevate, adding an unexpected twist to your dessert. It makes it not just sweet, but intriguingly complex, teasing the palate with a symphony of flavors. Now comes the final step. Blend everything together. Blend until you see a smooth consistency like a velvety mousse. Lastly, keep in mind to adjust the sweetness and cocoa to align with your personal palate. Remember, this is your dessert. Make it just how you like it. Now, the moment you've been anticipating has arrived. It's time to decide how you want to present your creation. This choice is crucial as it allows for your personal touch, making your dish an art piece. Two paths diverge here. Firstly, you may choose to portion the mousse among your dessert dishes, treating everyone to their own gourmet delicacy. This method adds visual appeal, enhances the dining experience, and makes your guests feel special. Alternatively, you might embrace eco-friendliness by using the avocado skins as vessels for serving. This innovative approach not only stands out visually, but also addresses waste reduction. It's a clever surprise for your guests, showcasing the genius of your culinary creativity. If the second path is your choice, remember to balance. Leave just the right amount of room for toppings. This space is pivotal for the final elements that will elevate your dish to the next level. Whether you share the mousse among dishes or utilize avocado skins, remember, this is about creating a unique dining experience. Thus, the choice is yours, but whatever you decide, be sure to leave some room at the top for your chosen toppings. Once you've filled your dishes or skins, chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial. Cooling not only allows the mousse to become firm, but also melds the flavors together, creating an enhanced taste experience. Imagine the mousse solidifying in the cold, controlled environment of your refrigerator, gradually transforming from a simple mixture into a delightful dessert. This is where your mousse starts to develop its unique and flavor. As time passes, the mousse continues to evolve, with each minute contributing to its overall cohesiveness and taste. Each moment you wait adds to the ultimate texture and mouthfeel of your mousse. Keep in mind, creating a culinary masterpiece requires patience and time. This chilling stage is not just about improving your mousse's texture. It's also about building anticipation for the final tasting. The wait brings us closer to the final, exciting stage of the process. Finally, garnish your mousse with your choice of toppings for an element of surprise and a dash of visual appeal. The final touch not only adds beauty, but also introduces an extra layer of flavor and texture, turning your chilled mousse into a piece of edible art. If you're after a more intense chocolate flavor, consider swapping the cocoa powder for dark chocolate flakes. This adds a rich taste and nutritious element to mousse. Those following a workout regime can add protein powder to the dessert. For a lighter mousse, fold in whipped egg whites before chilling. This concludes another episode of Best Avocado Creations, featuring a dessert that expertly combines health and flavor. The humble avocado is more than guacamole, so keep experimenting. Until next time, keep the green love and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. And please leave and share your comments and feedback. We love to hear from you. We look forward to seeing you next week with another edition of Avocado Recipe. See you then.